Thinking about tossing your old whiteboard? Don't. Here's what to do instead. First, restore, don't replace. Premium whiteboard paint gives you a brand new writing surface at a fraction of the cost of buying a new board. Unlike standard boards that ghost and stain after a few years, one coat of top quality paint can last over a decade, if used and cleaned properly. Second, application is simple but precise. Use a high-quality microfiber roller and apply just one smooth coat. Watch for drips. The key? No re-rolling and no shortcuts. Just follow the instructions, and you'll get a seamless, professional-looking surface. Third, it's not just functional, it's transformative. A restored whiteboard boosts productivity, creativity, and even the look of your room. And if you really want to level up, turn an entire wall into a writable canvas. It's perfect for classrooms, offices, or creative spaces at home. Ready to restore your whiteboard? Call us at 8009362159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist, or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.